I did route all the sides to this template, and now I'm in the process of, well, cutting these holes for the sound. So these all have to be cut out. That's what I'm gonna do next. So this is the cross for the sound, and here the sound holes, and here the cone, so the sound travels through here and out here. Well, I did saw a test cone, and now I'm working on that cone to get it around a bit. So well, I show you when it's done how it looks, because hammering is a long and tedious job. You see the drilled holes for the sound hole, and now all I have to do is saw on the lines, and we got a nice cavities for the sound. So I start drilling the hole. Well, that works out fine. So, the next part. Okay, and the last one. So, there's the sound cavity, and there you see the cavity. This is where the sound gets in. So, at the end, when all is sawn out, I will be having a semi-hollow resonator guitar. I'm still banging on the cone. And getting it to shape. And in the end it will be okay. I did do this first hump, then a second line. Now this is a bit lower, but If I keep on banging on this, it will be a nice cone shape. And by keep hammering, I will get these divots out and have a nice cone.
The next day.
I did fairly quickly build myself a jig for my router bit, so I can route this out. And I checked it out and it works fine. So now I'm gonna fix the bit. This jig will just fit fine. Well, this was the first route, the cone, to see how the size fits, and it fits nicely. So we're gonna go a bit further and a bit deeper. So the second route. Well, after routing for a while, I finally found the end of the line. Well, and now something of a great reveal. Here we have the body parts 2 and 3. So on this cross the cone will rest, and the sound from the cone goes from here out of these 4 holes. So still loads of sanding to do. Oh, let me see this weight. Oh, it's a lot better than it was. Loads of weight loss with these holes everywhere.